like to welcome you to BeMoreNews.com, the news before the news, where we uncover the truth here at City Hall. Baltimore City candidate for State's Attorney, Hersl Neverdon. How are you, sir?
Good, fine, thank you.
Press conference just went down.
Yep.
Hersl family.
Yes.
And they felt like they weren't getting attention, news, updates, communication.
They really felt like they weren't getting the benefit of the full support and open lines of communication with the State's Attorney's Office. More importantly, they felt that there was information that should have been shared with them. They should have been kept abreast, and things were constantly being pretty much sprang upon them, and without getting any real clarification. And more importantly, they've asked for certain questions and clarity and documentation to help them understand and go through this grieving process, and that's just not been done.
Did you get a chance to talk to the family?
I did. I got to speak with the family. In fact, they're going to be on my radio show because they want to get out and talk about the issue that they're having with a lack of communication and lack of transparency. The inability to pretty much talk openly with the victims and the families. And really, they talked about some real deep underlying issues that need to be talked about in the city. And so,
and the father said he wasn't just speaking for the victim. He was, on behalf of all families throughout Baltimore. That's what I heard him say.
Yeah, all families throughout Baltimore. He had a major concern about about how they were treated and what would happen in the future if there remains this administration that fails to keep the lines of communication open. But they were very respectful to say that this is not about bashing, but this is just a complaint about things that are not going on and how they need to see a change that's going to be a benefit to Baltimore City as a whole.
Good deal. Thank you, Hersl Neverdon. Keep watching BeMoreNews.com, the news before the news, where we uncover the truth.